Zach, she's been on the nectar all night.
She's fine, Noel. Right?
Dude, couch, water, pizza.
I thought you were my wingman.
I am, dude. You should thank me.
She's totally into it.
Doesn't count when you're wrecked. Hammered equals date rate.
For reals?
For reals.
Wow. Now I feel like a total woodpecker head.
Buzz off. This isn't a mating dance.
Hey, chill. Let's get bird shit faced and party.
You chill and keep your hands off her tail feathers.
Damn. Talk about buzzkills.
Damn. Talk about not knowing when it's time to bail.
Time to fly the coop, Hive Hole.